Kelso from TrafficSupply.ca. This is the LS1 sturdy stand. Why we call it the sturdy stand? It has a 12-inch topper, which is common for most parking signs. You can also put an extended parking sign all the way down, but the legs at the bottom flare out to 16 inches. The legs themselves are actually cut at an angle so that when they're on the ground, they actually fit flat. And then we have this retractable handle on the top. It's powder-coated gray, and this piece is all one continuous piece of 1-inch angle iron. And that way, it doesn't have any breaking or failure points on it. And then when it goes out, the top has a maximum distance so that it cannot extend the legs out or fold flat.